Alright you guys, so this is the wig from AFsisterwig. It is a 14 by 6 lace closure wig. The hairline is pre-plucked. I think they did a pretty good job at pre-plucking the hairline. I probably will go back in and pluck it a little farther back just to customize it to my liking, because I do have a widow's peak and I need to make sure that my widow's peak is covered on this unit. The unit also came pre-bleached. The knots are already bleached, so that's a good thing for me. Don't have to go in and pluck any of the knots. Oh, there's an adjustable strap already built in to the wig, which is awesome because you can wear this as a glueless lace wig. I went ahead and took it off, but it's like bra straps, kind of like you just clip it back on. I don't know if you guys can see. So here's the strap, and then it's adjustable just like a bra strap, so you have 3 different rows of clips. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on. I have my cap size in a medium also, just as an FYI. This is the transparent lace, which is really nice because you don't have all of those knots that we're used to having. This is in a 14-inch. I think I have loose wave texture hair, but the hair is very nice. I think this is in the density 150 if I remember correctly. It's very pretty, very comfortable. So yeah, I am going to, my hairline is pretty low. You can actually see my widow's peak through here. You can see it. So when I apply it, I'm actually gonna pluck some of this back. Ugh, my hairline is really low, but I'll figure out what to do with this hair. Here's my ear tabs. It fits me perfectly, actually. It fits me pretty good. So there's not much that I'm gonna have to do to make this unit fit me. There are clips also in the wig, if you didn't notice. I'm going to dye this hair. I'm gonna put highlights in it. So I just wanted to come on here and show you guys the hair itself and how beautiful this wig is. Again, this is by AFsisterwig. I absolutely love it. This is in its natural texture. Well, this is how the hair came. So I have not washed this unit yet. I haven't done anything to it. I've just kind of been running my hands through it. That's why it's pretty. I haven't gotten any shedding so far. Or actually, I'm getting a few strands of hair, but not a whole lot. Yeah, not a whole lot. But we'll see how this hair holds up after we bleach it and wash it as well. So stay tuned.
Okay, so I'm just gonna lay my wig flat on a piece of plastic, and I'm gonna start off by pouring my Clairol bleach into a container. Like I said, there's no like method that I really use for this. I kind of go with the flow. I'm gonna go ahead and put in my 40 volume developer and then just mix that in together. Alright, so I decided to just section the hair off in like 3 segments just to make it a little bit easier for me, since I'm not doing this on a mannequin head. And then I'm going to go ahead and just brush the bleach over the hair. Again, I absolutely have no clue as to what I'm doing. I'm laying down a piece of foil just to speed up the processing time on this, but I'm just kind of going for like an ombre look, but not too uniform or anything like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and brush this bleach onto the hair. So I'm basically repeating the same process for each section of hair and wrapping it up in the foil after I'm done. So I'm laying the piece of foil down just to keep everything neat. I'm going to go ahead and brush on the bleach, and then I'm going to fold the hair up into the aluminum foil just to help it process a little bit faster and to keep everything clean. All three sections are done. I just check the hair to see how it's progressing, and I wash it out once I've reached the color that I am going for. So there's no real specific time on how long you need to leave the bleaching. Just don't over process it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and wash the hair out. Now I'm just taking my Iso Plus neutralizing shampoo. I'm going to coat the hair with that and use that to wash out the hair. I love this stuff. It makes sure that all of the bleach is out of the hair, and it brings back the pH level. Putting any type of bleach in any type of hair can be quite damaging, and it can put a lot of stress on the hair. So I like to use the shampoo to kind of revive it. So I'm just going to go ahead and wash everything out with that. I'm going in with my purple shampoo. You can really use any brand. I'll link the brand that I used down in the description box below. But this is going to take away any brassiness that's in the hair. So this is like a must-do step for me. So I'm just going to go ahead and coat the hair with that. I like to actually leave this on for a little bit. So you see me rubbing it in for quite some time. I'm just making sure that the hair that was dyed soaks up that purple shampoo. So you definitely don't want to skip this step if you don't want that brassiness in your hair. Alright, so here's the hair after it has been completely dried overnight. I'm just going to spray down the hairline with some water just to get the hair out of the way. And I'm going to start plucking the hairline. This hairline already came pretty natural, but I needed to customize it to fit my own hairline. So I'm just brushing the hair back, and then I'm going to take the end of my rat tail comb and section off some hair and then start plucking behind that line that I've created. I find that this usually gives me the most natural effect. It gives me like a gradient effect instead of that obvious plucked hairline. Alright, so for this part, I'm going to use Black Radiance foundation powder in my shade to pat over the frontal area. This is just going to give me the most skin-like effect. It really is going to help blend and make everything come together. I love doing this. Even if the knots are bleached, I still do this. So in this particular case, the unit came pre-bleached. It was lightly bleached. So I'm still going to go ahead with my powder and just coat everything. So I love the way that the hair color turned out as well as the hairline. I'm just going to show you guys that now. Stay tuned for my next video because I'll show you how I apply this wig using the bold hold. So until next time guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Alright, see you soon.